So I'll be showing you how to remove the lock screen password on your OnePlus 13. So just go into settings. Under settings, go to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to device and lock, tap on that, and then it should say screen lock. Now if you tap on that, it's going to ask for your current password, pin, or pattern. Just go ahead and enter the passcode, and then you want to turn off password by selecting turn off password. Now confirm you want to disable the lock screen pattern. It's going to ask you for the password once again, and once you do that, now you have removed the lock screen passcode from your OnePlus 13. So you no longer need a password to get past the lock screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.